Most people think their neck and shoulder pain comes from age, stress, or maybe just sleeping wrong. But what if I told you the real cause is something completely different and it is happening every single day without you even noticing? If you've been dealing with stiffness, tightness, or even headaches that start in the back of your neck and move up, let's break it down in a simple way that actually makes sense. If you've been dealing with stiffness, tightness, or even headaches that seem to radiate from the back of your neck, I want to explain this in a way that's simple and makes sense. Most people assume neck and shoulder pain comes from sleeping wrong, working too long at a desk, or maybe even arthritis. While those things can definitely contribute, the underlying cause is often overlooked. And if you don't fix the real cause, the pain keeps coming back again and again. The biggest culprit is posture. Every time you look down at your phone or lean forward at your computer, your head shifts forward. The average head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds. For every inch your head moves forward, the effective weight on your neck doubles. So if your head is 2 inches forward, it's like your neck muscles are holding 24 pounds all day long. That's why your shoulders get tight, your traps start burning, and you feel that knot right between your shoulder blades. The body adapts to the position you spend the most time in. If you're always slouched forward, the muscles in the front, like the chest and neck flexors, get tight. Meanwhile, the muscles in the back, like the mid-traps, rhomboids, and deep neck stabilizers, become weak. This imbalance pulls your shoulders forward and your head down. The weaker those posture muscles get, the harder it is to sit up straight. And the tighter the front gets, the more compressed your neck feels. This is why pain persists. Most people treat neck pain with massage, stretching, or even painkillers. And while those might give temporary relief, unless you correct the imbalance and the posture, the pain will always return. It is not about chasing the pain, it's about fixing the structure that causes it in the first place. There's also a deeper factor at play. Your spinal cord runs through the cervical spine. When your posture is poor, the joints compress, the discs can start to bulge, and nerves get irritated. This is why some people don't just feel neck pain, they also feel tingling down their arm or even numbness in the hand. The issue isn't just muscular, it's also neurological. That's why posture correction is so powerful. When you realign the spine, you're not just reducing muscle tension, you're also taking pressure off the nerves. Stress is another big factor. When you're under stress, your body naturally goes into fight or flight mode. One of the first things that happens is your neck and shoulder muscles tighten. That is why people who are stressed often feel like they're carrying the weight of the world on their shoulders. Combine that with forward head posture, and you have the perfect recipe for chronic neck and shoulder pain. Your posture also affects your breathing. When your shoulders round forward, your chest cavity compresses and your lungs can't expand fully. This means you get less oxygen, which makes your muscles fatigue faster. Fatigued muscles become sore and painful much quicker. Improving posture doesn't just reduce pain, it improves energy, focus, and mood. One simple correction you can start today is wall therapy. Stand with your back against a wall, making sure your heels, hips, shoulders, and the back of your head are all touching. Tuck your chin slightly, like you're making a double chin. Hold this for about 30 seconds, then relax. Do this several times a day. This retrains your nervous system and muscles to understand what proper posture feels like. Over time, it builds new muscle memory. It's also important to strengthen the weak muscles. Stretching the tight ones isn't enough. Exercises like rows for your mid-back, chin tucks for your deep neck flexors, and wall angels for posture correction can make a big difference. When the back muscles get stronger, they naturally pull the shoulders back and align the head. Now let's talk about inflammation. Pain always gets worse when there's inflammation in the body. Eating too much sugar, refined carbs, or seed oils creates systemic inflammation. That means your muscles and joints don't recover as well and the pain lingers longer. Switching to a low-carb, nutrient-dense diet with lots of vegetables, healthy fats, and quality protein can help reduce inflammation. Magnesium, potassium, and vitamin D are also crucial for muscle relaxation and nerve health. Hydration plays a big role too. Your spinal discs are mostly water. If you're dehydrated, those discs lose height and cushioning, which puts more pressure on the nerves. Drinking enough water helps your spine stay healthier and reduces pain. Sleep is another overlooked factor. If you sleep on too many pillows, your neck is flexed all night. If you sleep on your stomach, your neck is twisted for hours. Both of these create more pain. The best position is on your back with a thin pillow or on your side with the neck supported but not overly flexed. That way your spine stays neutral and your muscles can recover. So when you look at the bigger picture, the real cause of neck and shoulder pain isn't just bad luck, age, or arthritis. It's posture, muscle imbalance, stress, inflammation, and lifestyle habits. When you fix posture, strengthen weak muscles, reduce inflammation, manage stress, and improve recovery, you don't just mask the pain, you solve it at the root. Here's what you can do starting today. Practice wall therapy daily, do strengthening exercises. Cut down sugar and processed foods, stay hydrated, fix your sleep posture, and manage stress with breathing, walking, or meditation. It doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent actions create long-term results. Your neck and shoulders are designed to support you, not punish you. If you give your body the right environment, good posture, strong muscles, the right nutrition, and proper recovery, it will heal. Instead of asking, "How do I get rid of the pain today?" ask, "How do I fix the cause so the pain doesn't keep coming back?" That's the real solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.